Hey guys, Jon Paul here, and just back in my Subaru after a really wonderful but really cold and wet excursion in a heavy snowstorm, taking photos with my 4x5 inch film camera and doing a little video with my digital SLR so I can share some of those things with you. And um, while I um, while I encourage you to get out and do these things that I'm doing, not that they're necessarily that extreme, but one of the things I want to share with you from a responsibility standpoint is please be responsible when you get out there. So I come out and I do these things. I'm not that far away from anything today, but I'm prepared. I'm prepared to get my car out if I need to. Where I am, I've always got my emergency shovel, and I've got my scrapers and brush and all of that to clear the car off. I've got all-wheel drive, and when I go out on my excursions, I've got multiple layers on. I've got Gore-Tex on. I've got my Sorels on, so nice and warm boots that are also mostly waterproof. I let my wife know where I was going to be, and I just want to share with you one of the most important things to keep what we do fun and pursuing our passion fun and enjoyable is to keep it safe. So when you head out, let people know where you're going. Make sure you're dressed appropriately. Make sure you know that you can get in and out safely, and get out, pursue the passion that we have, but do it responsibly so it continues to be fun. Have a great day. Thanks for following.